The reMarkable 2 versus the Kindle Scribe. This video will give a full comparison of these two paper tablets and give you an idea which one to buy, which one to choose in the current market. Now, obviously, I am a reMarkable 2 user. I have been for probably about 3 years, and even the reMarkable 1 beforehand. So please do bear in mind that bias, although I actually do really like the Kindle Scribe, but not the software side. Let's dive into it all inside of today's video. So before we begin, if you're new here, please do hit subscribe. We cover plenty of productivity apps, and if you want to dive into the e-ink tablet side of stuff, we do have videos for that. We've also just launched a Kindle Scribe review, as well as a Kindle Scribe walkthrough. If you're interested, you'll find them both linked in the description. And also, we've launched a Kindle Scribe and reMarkable store, allowing you to find productivity tools for both of those devices. So, first section is hardware. Now, to be honest, both of these are pretty good. They look great in terms of what they offer. They're both very thin. The reMarkable 2, slightly thinner. But one thing I would say is in the hardware department, the reMarkable does give a little bit more. I feel like the overall build quality is slightly higher, from the quality of the back all the way to the screen size between the actual screen and the e-ink display. I feel is a lot better. And also, guessing the pen quality is a lot better as well when it comes to the hardware on the reMarkable 2. Now, there are some things that I love about the hardware on the Kindle Scribe. If you're somebody that takes a lot of notes at night, this Kindle Scribe is amazing because it's got a great warmth ability and backlight that offers a great experience for making sure that you can do it in any light. But if you take most of your notes in a day, the experience for that is better on the reMarkable 2, primarily because of the software and the pen experience that they offer. For me, it's very similar on the build quality, but I'd have to give this one to the reMarkable 2. But please note, the pricing's pretty important here. One is about $100 more expensive than the other, and that's a reMarkable 2. So the build quality is going to be expected to be higher. So moving on to software, this is probably the Kindle Scribe's weakest area. Amazon launched it back in November, which means they pushed it quite fast to get to be available for Black Friday and Christmas, meaning they shipped, in my opinion, an MVP experience of the software. It's very much just type in notes and draw them, and like just the basic functionality, a highlighter and eraser. It's really nothing too impressive, to be honest. Whereas the reMarkable 2 been out for quite a while with the previous edition of reMarkable, so they have a pretty well built up software experience, and they're enhancing that with their 3.0, which includes the ability to do desktop and mobile typing. So overall, the software definitely by a country mile at the moment goes to the reMarkable 2. But I feel with about 30 or 40% more effort in the software package that the Kindle Scribe offers, definitely will catch up with the reMarkable 2 and offer all of those Kindle books to annotate alongside, which the reMarkable does not have. So for now, the reMarkable 2 wins this round. So daily use. Again, this one comes a little bit more of an interesting topic because both of these are used for slightly different things. The Kindle is being used as a Kindle and also a notebook, but the reMarkable is being used solely as a notebook. So the Kindle Scribe has more layers here, more opportunity to be able to use on a regular basis. Having all of that Kindle score instantly accessible is a huge bonus. But day-to-day use, I would probably give this one to the Kindle Scribe because of that Kindle access, but also the accessories that it provides are more functional for day-to-day activity. So just a small thing you can do here is lean the Kindle Scribe on top of this, which means you get a little bit of a lean when you're using the accessory. And I found overall the battery life was a lot better, even with the backlight, which is a huge part of daily use, especially when I'm coming home and using it for some light work in the evening. Being able to use it with that backlight is pretty awesome. Now, don't get me wrong, It does lack abilities with the pen, software, so daily use does drop a bit, but if you're using it for the basic book annotations combined with a light use of note-taking, then it's going to go far for you. So the pricing is probably something that's bothering you. The Kindle Scribe is fairly well priced and you're paying for what you're getting. A low-level iPad price is something in the range of what you're going to be spending in the Kindle Scribe. Whereas with the reMarkable 2, you're paying quite a considerable amount more. And that's primarily because you're paying for better quality software, better quality hardware, and generally a new and enhanced experience with their 3.0. And you're also going to be paying an additional fee of the Connect's pricing, which is $249 or $299. I can't quite remember. It's very close to those two. However, this is something to note, is that the pricing is considerably better on the Kindle Scribe. So if you're somebody that isn't necessarily that worried about the quality of note-taking across a day, and you passionately and madly love the replacing of your Kindle, or you use it a lot, then this is a good buy for you there. Whereas with the reMarkable is much better for if you have the money and you're confident on your experience that it offers in terms of the software, then that's probably something you should, in my opinion, reach out for a little bit more, because I feel like the product, the general experience is a lot better. So as a summary, in my opinion, I know I'm slightly biased from using it a lot, the reMarkable 2 wins for me. It presents an overall experience that delivers on the package. And I feel like it's preparing itself for the future with desktop and mobile note-taking, which is really nice to have. I'm playing around with it in beta, and some of the beta upgrades that they're making makes the Kindle Scribe software embarrassingly bad. So it's something that, to be honest, the Kindle Scribe must catch up on, and very fast. And that might mean they release the Kindle Scribe 2, which offers a better pen, a better surface quality when you're being able to take notes, and a whole host of software improvements. So I would probably say the Kindle Scribe 2 is going to be much more of a comparison lead against the reMarkable 2. So folks, I hope you enjoyed this comparison. Please do let me know if you have any questions, because I'm happy to answer them. As I said, if you're a Kindle lover, pricing sensitive, and also you're looking for a basic note-taking experience with an e-ink tablet, the Kindle Scribe's great for you. Whereas if you want that full package experience with a great hardware, great software, and generally just a brilliant overall package, the reMarkable 2's good for you. Anyway folks, thank you so much for stopping by. Please do make sure to subscribe to keep productive. Check out all the videos that we provide about the Kindle Scribe and the reMarkable 2. Thank you very much for stopping by, and I'll see you in a future video. Cheerio.